All right, Sunday afternoon out here at Momo Beach. It was a very wet and windy weekend. It's very calm now, very calm. But they say there's another storm brewing, so we will see. But this is like the public dock for the, I don't know if it's a public dock. It was used, there was a guy that had a boat. I don't see it out here. He was used doing ferry tours. Tours over to Oslo to watch the whale sharks. And I'm not sure if he's still doing that or not, but I saw the sign up there, but I don't see his ferry out here. And now he's doing runs to, I guess Cebu or something, I guess is what he's doing. But these are all the tourist boats, fishing boats, and I'll do a story about that big rock you see sticking out there, lost city of Momo Beach. I'll do a story about that in the next week or so. Stay tuned for that. Get back.
What is the hole here?
There's a hole in the dock, people. Be careful.
Another hole.
Another hole. Opico Travel. That's the company that does the OPK.
Apicop.
How do you say it?
Apicop.
Opicotravel.com. All right, he's the one that has the ferry boats. They got another boat over here too. Yeah. All the other dogs are looking at Steph, wondering what the hell is that little white thing on a leash. They're all never seen a dog on a leash before. Somebody put some kubos up here. Let's walk down the beach. Yeah, people doing their scuba diving out here, so the seas must not have been too rough today. Either that or they were dedicated and wanted to dive. Doesn't look too rough out there. A lot of beach dogs here. All right, all right. A little resort right here on the water. It's a dive resort. I think they got a PADI sign up there, so I think they do teach diving and do a lot of diving. Here's a little more intensive dive boat there. The boat's made of wood, right? Yeah, all wood, yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, the sea was angry, my friend. Yeah, a lot of the boats came in, I guess, because definitely smells like seaweed here. Here's some of the stonework from the lost city of Momo Beach. There you can kind of see it hiding behind the boats there. There's a stairwell that goes up in there. Here's some more of the stonework in here. So stay tuned. I'll do a story of the lost city of Momo Beach. Not too much trash on the beach, but there is lots of seaweed. Lots of seaweed. A little bit of trash, but this is maybe a boat graveyard here. Here's the stairwell right there. The entryway to the lost city of Momo Beach right there. You can see that right there. Yeah. I'll try to get in there and get a story of that done in the next few weeks or so. This is like almost like a brand new boat, huh?
Brand new.
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, nice rubber on. Oh, yeah. It's all rubberized, non-slip rubberized. Kind of shows you what a brand new boat looks like. Here, a dive boat. Yeah. That big spider up there. We can zoom in on that. There's a spider up there, built himself a little web. Oh yeah, under construction it looks like, yeah. Oh, here's a unique colored one. Pink boat. Nice piece of glass there. Part of the Momo Beach, lost city of Momo Beach. They used to have their own pier coming out here. Used to be able to climb up on top of that thing. I don't know if you can anymore. Definitely getting washed away, huh? Hey, this is not natural rock. This was probably all dumped here when they built this pier here. They built this is that anapole rock, the same stuff that we pulled out of our when we're digging our property, the septic tank. These are just bigger versions of the rock, so they were probably pulling them out with like a backhoe from somewhere around here and dumping them here to build their pier. A lot of backfill. You can see the cement on top up there, and they just cement on top. There's the island of Bohol over there. Neat rock formations in here. These are mangrove trees, right, sweetie?
Huh?
These are mangroves, aren't they?
Yeah.
These are the mangrove trees, and Little tide pools in here, and right now it's low tide, but you definitely got some neat rock formations in here. I'm not sure what this is, maybe a place for them to mark where they're going to anchor their boat or what, but or just kids fooling around. Little tide pools out here. Oh, look at this, sweetie. It's like a... Come here, look at this thing. It's like a piece of live, but it's seaweed, but it's like it's moving.
What is it? It's a crab?
This thing right here.
Oh, that's a different species. I don't know what is that. Right here. Hey. Shell.
That's kind of a neat shell.
Yeah, it's shell with the meat in.
Oh, it's still alive?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah, the thing was crawling along here.
Look at
Look. Oh, here's a little crab or octopus.
Huh?
Right here, a little octopus. See him?
No, it is.
Right there.
Yeah, it's not an octopus, but
Yeah, so what is it?
it's creature.
Creature from the Black Lagoon?
Yeah. There's a little crab here. Honey,
Mm-hmm.
there's a small crab. Different kind of crab. Crab like that. That one.
Oh, right there, yeah. Yeah, crab right there. Let's see if we can get him to motivate a little bit. Oh, he's dead, I think.
No, it's not.
How come he's not moving?
He can move.
I touched him, he didn't move.
Yeah. Yeah. It's baby.
Mm. Fish.
Oh, fish. Giant fish. You can sell this before. This small seashell. Yeah, we get those and then we sell it like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Little meat or what?
No, the shell
A
itself.
shell?
Yeah, by cup.
By cup?
Yeah.
What do they give you a few pesos?
Yeah, couple pesos per cup.
Oh, there's a little seashell here.
Yeah.
Do they eat the meat or they want the shell?
They just want the shell.
Oh, this is kind of like for those
the
wind.
decoration.
Oh, for decoration. Okay, all right.
You need to get chandelier,
Make it into those wind chimes or the
wind chime.
like Mama got. Yeah. Oh, look at this antique car antenna. Oh, rare, rare. Oh, look at this, like a sea urchin over here. and take a look at this thing, sweetie. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, there's a sea urchin.
Come here, tell me what this is.
Yeah, sea urchin, baby one.
Is that what this is, sea urchin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Baby sea urchin.
What's going on over here? Oh, a couple starfish here. Nice little starfish right there with his things all curled up. He's like curled up. Kinda.
This one, honey. There's that. See here, honey. See here, H-A-R-E.
Here, yeah.
This one. Yeah, we eat the inside of that.
Oh, okay, guys. Anybody watching lost on the beach and you need a meal, you come and you get one of these sea urs, and you cut that out right there, and you eat that. It's a delicious delicacy. You can eat it raw, right?
No, you have to cook it.
Oh, you have to cook it. I almost killed you guys. So go ahead and cook it. Boil it, right?
Boil, yeah.
Boil it, yeah. All right. Survival tip. I'm going to turn this channel into a survival show. What else is in here? Some kind of colored, just green seaweed there. Oh, there's another one in here too. There's two of them. There's a whole meal in here for a family. All right, guys. Oh, it's a little baby starfish, yeah. Yeah.
I think something inside of that one.
Yeah, like a mussel or something. And
it's kind of like cold, like spring.
maybe like a clam all the way down there, and it's.
I don't know, maybe it's connected somewhere. It's kind of cold. And there's the one over here too. And there's another one here. Oh, one.
What is this, poop over here?
Like maybe that bird or some other creature. This one also. Oh.
Yeah. Is that a starfish right there too? Yeah, another starfish on the sand right there.
Still. It's weird.
Let's go for Momo. Momo means witch or ghost. Momo means ghost in Tagalog, in Bisaya. So you don't want to be out here on this beach at nighttime. The ghosts come out. But stay tuned for the story of the lost city of Momo Beach. I don't have my glasses on, people, so I really can't see very far or very well. Left my glasses in the truck, and Luke took the truck to work because of the rain and everything. And there's the always ever-present booze bottles. This one's buried. Hmm? Yeah. That's like somebody's rest area right there. A lot of times they'll come in from fishing and just crash out right there. Somebody's got a pretty substantial anchor here for their... This is like a one-person fishing boat right here. Got a rudder on it. It does have a hookup for a motor, it looks like, and a mount there, and they put their motor in there and they go out fishing. Probably got to pull their motor out or somebody will steal it. But yeah, and there's again the stairs to the lost city of Momo Beach. Hello. Thank you, sweetie. Kind of a neat root or tree that was cut up. It's been worn by the sea and the weather. Hard to kind of tell what kind of wood it was at one time, but interesting stump. We got a dive boat coming in. And once again, there is the Momo. I think it's, I don't know the name of this resort here. And my wife is no help either. More beach dogs. read the sign on that. And never been developed. And these people in this house kind of controlled the beach, didn't they? Kind of.
That's a relative.
Yeah.
Come in.
Here's the company that featured their boats there. All right, Buffy. Big German Shepherd in the cage there. He must provide security at night. The Apex Travel and Tours, Tagbilaran Ports at Sigihor at 10 a.m. And then Panglao, Momo Beach to Oslo for the whale sharks. Watch them at whale sharks. So, info and booking. I have yet to go to Oslo to see the whale sharks, but I plan to do that soon.